Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view and unmute Facebook stories on the Messenger app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is sign into Messenger and select the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then up at the top, select the settings gear button and then scroll down underneath preferences and you want to select privacy and safety. And then scroll down again underneath what people see, select story controls. And then where you can select where it says stories you've muted, go ahead and select that. And then it would give you a list of any stories you've muted and you can remove them from the list basically. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.